The search begins for fair and impartial jurors to weigh in and listen to arguments in a case featuring one of the most hated and loved men in America, former President Donald Trump.
You know, jury selection is largely luck. It depends who you get.
The trial begins despite multiple attempts by Trump and his lawyers to delay it, with allegations Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg is unfair and complaints about the gag order Trump was issued after criticizing likely witnesses and making false claims about family members of the judge.
On Monday in New York City, I will be forced to sit fully gagged. I'm not allowed to talk. Can you believe it? They want to take away my constitutional right to talk.
Hundreds are expected to report for jury duty and answer 42 questions related to their feelings about Donald Trump himself and the case, which centers on charges Trump falsified records related to hush money payments made to former adult film star Stormy Daniels during the 2016 presidential campaign.
Under New York state law, it is a felony to falsify business records with intent to defraud and an intent to conceal another crime.
Stormy Daniels, in addition to Trump's former fixer Michael Cohen and former aide Hope Hicks, all expected to testify once the case gets underway, as critics continue to call it politically motivated.
So they took a dead misdemeanor and bootstrapped it into effectively trying a federal crime. But the federal crime here under election law was rejected by the Department of Justice. They didn't feel that this should be charged.
Still, others say whatever happens, it's unlikely to largely impact the election.
He'll probably go back on the campaign trail and almost like rehash what's going on. He'll try to victimize it, and that has worked for him, right? I mean, this has been going on for over a year, and his poll numbers never seem to go down because of the issue.
Jury selection is expected to take about a week, followed by a 6 to 8 week trial, which lands us in the middle of summer in the 2024 presidential race and just before the Republican National Convention. I'm Christine Frizzau reporting.